What's going on, guys? My name is Rajeev Kugan and thank you for checking in. It's been 2 weeks, a little bit over 2 weeks, that I had the Galaxy S10, and let's just say it's a device that I really wanted to switch over to, but I can't. So what's stopping me from actually moving from the Pixel 3 XL over to the Samsung S10? You probably guessed it. Well, it's the camera. So the Galaxy S10, a slim profile, very lightweight, super premium phone with the headphone jack, without a notch, with the latest hardware specs, with a beautiful finish from design top to bottom. There's nothing wrong with this phone. This phone is actually perfectly great. The Samsung UI is even better. It's been improved. It's running Android P and it's beautifully built inside out. And of course, one of the most popular smartphone editions are multiple lenses. Now you have telephoto, you got regular ones, and then you also have a wide angle. There's 3 lenses in the back of the phone. There's one in the front for the S10. And of course, the biggest addition to this device is the ultrasonic fingerprint sensor. Not a huge fan of it. I'm glad it looks better and works better than the one released by the OnePlus, which is a little emissive of an optical flash that reads your fingerprint. Very cheesy, very ugly. I did not like that. So I'm happy theirs is very smooth. However, like with any new tech, definitely not fast or accurate. There were times where I have to keep going multiple times until I log in. However, there is a hack. If you actually add the same finger multiple times, so I've actually added it 3 times, it reads it faster and more accurately, but still doesn't beat the classic one. So preference-wise, the S10e with the fingerprint sensor on the right with the power button, that seems to be more practical, faster, quicker, and I think that's what I would opt into if I was looking to get one of the S10 devices in the market right now. Another thing that bugs me about this phone is the actual buttons on the bottom, the navigational buttons. Samsung should just make it default to bring the back arrow to the left side of the phone. Thankfully, with Android P, you can actually switch it back. But here's the thing, I've got very accustomed to using the gesture. So on my iPhone, I'm using the gesture. On my Pixel 3 XL, I'm using the gesture. So I've come to a point where that's my actual natural path to going to recent apps. Whereas these guys, it's a very weird hacked way. So the way Samsung decided to go about it is, this is the home button, this is the back button, I see my recent apps. Best mode that I like the most, the Instagram mode. Beautifully done, really great integration with the ability to take a picture from the camera app and push it straight to the story. So once you log into Instagram, you can actually integrate this. Cool thing is, once you tap it, automatically launches Instagram and you're able to share this to your story. You're actually using the wide angle lens. So as you can see, I'm able to capture my room using a wider focal length. If you want, you can go closer, and of course, you can also go using the telephoto lens. If you guys are following me on Instagram, I've actually been doing a lot of A/B testing with my Pixel camera with the S10, asking individuals which version you like better. There's night sight versus bright sight, which is their version. There's portrait modes versus live focus. There are wide angle shots, video, pictures, stories, anything to do with the camera. That's the medium I'm using to engage with photographers, enthusiasts that love cameras and want to know if they should get this phone for the camera. A lot of people personally reached out to me and I kind of gave them my experience already. One of the things I've been recommending is porting over the Google camera APK onto this phone so that you get the Google camera pixel experience on the S10. It's not one-to-one. You get a little bit of the algorithm, you get a little bit of the AI equipped with a super fast device like this, but it still doesn't give you the full result. I still haven't been able to switch the lens to the regular lens. It automatically uses the wide angle lens in that port. So now you're stuck with an S10 all the time wide angle, but with great pictures using the Google Pixel Camera APK. I'll link it below if you guys want to install it. It's pretty quick, it's pretty easy, but it's just not the same. You know what, I kind of hate Google for creating the standard for great pictures, because I would have got this phone. I would have kept it. I would have embraced it. I would have said this is the best phone in the market because everything would have been complete. But it's not. You guys probably seen a lot of reviews. You probably seen everyone give their input from specs to the look and feel. Everything is great. We all know that. Personally, as a techie, as a photographer, as a videographer who wants kind of everything in one phone, it doesn't give me enough to switch over. From a camera standpoint, everything else I can bear with. You know, I could literally switch over to the S10e if I wanted to. I just don't get the telephoto lens. I have the wide angle lens, but I have options if I really want to go to the Samsung ecosystem. Other than that, thank you for watching. I hope this helps somebody on their journey towards their purchasing decision. And you know, I helped a few people make a decision already over Instagram. A lot of people love the S10 and I'm happy for them. They really couldn't see a big difference compared to what I've been seeing, so kudos. This could just be me being very pixel perfect about everything, but you know, it's the nature of the beast. I'm a very annoying guy when it comes to these things. So thanks for watching again. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'll see you guys next time. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below because I really want to know what you guys think based on my experience. If you guys agree with me or disagree with me, we'll love to know. Other than that, I'll see you guys next time. Thank you.